Okay, Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 has the adjustable headlights. We got an issue. Zoom in here. So this headlight is working correctly. Oh, that's weird. And this one is not. Okay, so if you'll notice, this headlight, the point is like a dot. On this headlight, the point is like a round area. So what we had, this one is in there correctly, it shines correctly. It makes like a line, you can't see very well there. See, it makes a line right there. The other headlight, no line. So this headlight is basically not in all the way into its socket. This is what that socket looks like. What we're having the issue with is that basically when the light bulb was installed, this black clip wasn't rotated and clipped in properly. This is the best video I could find to show how that plastic clip turns. Looks like it's about an 1/8 of an inch turn, standard, counterclockwise to remove and clockwise to tighten it back down. So if you're having this issue with your headlights, you might want to take a second look at how you got your bulb installed, especially if you just recently changed your bulbs. You're watching CSD Solutions. Hope you found this useful. Take it easy.